Hey everyone, and welcome to week number 4. We're in our September 7th through September 11th folder, and this week is going to be short because obviously on Monday was Labor Day, but we are going to be reading the lottery. So I'm going to show you how to get to it in case you're at home. Even though I have a video of this already and I've showed you in class, I'm still going to show you again. So you're going to come in here, you're going to log into your class, scroll down to the left, and we're going to click My HRW, go ahead and launch it, and this will open up another screen. And you're going to look for the student ebook. And it should launch, and you should have one in front of you. Go to the table of contents. This is collection 1, and we're going to go down to the lottery, okay? And there it is. All right, so you're going to go ahead and read the text. We'll do this in class on Monday and Tuesday, and then I have a packet for you. I really want you guys to pay attention to the details that reveal the purpose of the lottery and the villagers' reactions to it. I want you guys to jot down any questions that you have prior to us getting to the end. We'll do a little pre-reading. We'll discuss our author. Her name is Shirley Jackson. And we'll also talk about inference, foreshadowing, and how culture and tradition plays a role in how our author makes their material. So we'll talk about this a little more later, but I just wanted to put this up for you. And I'll see you in class tomorrow, or I'll see you online. If you have any questions, you know to email or call.